All right, cinnamon is up next. I like to add cinnamon to pancakes just to give it a little extra dimension. You can totally omit this. It will not change the recipe at all. I seriously love the convenience of having everything done ahead of time, especially the protein. That's what I really love about these, the breakfast tacos. So if you've ever wondered what to do with a 25-pound bag of flour besides stick it on your head, you make a bunch of baking mixes with it. All right, here we go. We are doing 2.5, so probably what I will do is use my 1 cup to do all the 2 cups, and then I'll add a 1/2 cup in a minute to every bag. That seems to be more efficient to me. All right. So with these pancake mixes, actually, I'm not gonna tell you. Oh my gosh, which one did I pull over? This one. Jeez. Perfectly baked, cooked bacon. Didn't take any effort on my part. Didn't make a mess all over my stove. That's why I love, come on now. That's why I love doing bacon in the oven. Okay. I have to. Man down. I gotta go fish that one out in a second. Hang on. It's not a party in the kitchen until something falls out of the pot, right? Isn't that how it goes? Oh, heavens. We're making a mess. I could not grab that bag. Do you count this? Do you see that there are 5? Am I counting that wrong? Maybe the cold medicine's making me lose my mind. I don't know.